Here I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, find and select settings. From the list of settings we need to choose more under wireless and network, and here let's tap on tethering and portable hotspot right here. So here you can enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by using that switcher, and the hotspot is activated. So here you can also tap on the hotspot right here to configure the hotspot. For example, you can choose keep Wi-Fi hotspot for exact period of time. You can select the setup Wi-Fi hotspot to choose the network name, security type, password. Right now we are using the following one. You can also here, for example, change maximum connections. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also use the connected device and blocked users. If you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher, and now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.